Today we'll be unboxing a bag especially made for your PlayStation 5. I purchased this off of Amazon and the price was about 129 Canadian dollars. And the company that made it is called USA Gear. Uh, there's no branding on it that says that it's exactly for the PlayStation 5. It says multi-purpose adjustable storage customizable device case. So as you can see, it came in this plastic wrapping. Also, it came in with the Amazon box, so this is how it comes from the company, and then Amazon ships it in a box. So let's open it up. Got two tape right here, and then the bag inside. Has that new bag smell. So if we take a look here, we have some branding right in the front, USA Gear. Some tags with their social media on it. So it says this product comes with limited warranty, the acceptance of which is a condition of sale. For details, visit usagear.com/warranty. So if we take a look in the front, we have one front pocket. There's just one area for you to put in whatever you need to put in here. Maybe some game cases, some extra cables, maybe some other peripherals that won't get damaged, because this is obviously not the place you want to put something that can get damaged. So we'll take a look over here. Comes with a nice cushion strap. Open it up. On the side here, there's two areas for you to be able to hook a strap. I guess for you to kind of wear it on the side of your waist, hanging from your shoulder. It might be inside. We're gonna take a look in a second. So just taking a look here. Construction build. It's pretty solid, and I can attest to the fact that these things are very durable, because I have another bag of USA Gear for my PlayStation 4, which I'll bring and show you a comparison of in a minute. So we'll take a look. Yeah, there we go. So we take a look inside. It does come with the strap. There we go. You can just use this strap to put it on the side of the two mounts over here. And then you can carry it off of your shoulder, or you can just carry it like a suitcase. So inside we got the user guide, register for 3-year warranty. Okay, so this product comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Register this product within 30 days of sale to activate a complimentary 2-year warranty extension and receive free advanced technical support. Website's there. So we got some warnings here. It says stop. Do not return this product to retailer. This product comes with a limited warranty and free advanced technical support. So I guess the best thing is, instead of reaching out to Amazon, you can always reach out to the company itself. How does the new product make you feel? Yeah, so they're just asking you to reach out, leave a review, which is what we're doing. So as you can see here, this looks like the area where you would store your PlayStation 5, and then there's a little... So basically the way these work is that they come with these little partitioners for you to be able to customize the space and change the way that you would orient your bag. Throw that away. Yep, a couple more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in total. This one for here. I mean, would you be able to? It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is also a partitioner, I believe, that you can take apart. Yeah, you can actually remove also these. Even remove these, which is actually pretty cool. It's very different to the one that I use for my PlayStation 4. Yep, you can take all of them apart. And you can customize them to your liking. So we'll just put that back. I'm going to throw this to the side because I believe we would need to remove this to fit the PlayStation 5 in here. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the PlayStation 5. There we go. So we'll open this up. Yeah, there we go. It fits. It also the good thing is it fits with its stand, so you don't need to keep removing the stand. So we'll secure it in place. Boom. Fits nicely. Now I see there's straps right here, which is so you can either strap it on this side or you can strap it on this side, which I think is pretty cool. So it's a little bit of extra protection for the PlayStation 5 itself. So let's see if we can fit in some accessories right here. We got a controller. I mean, damn. You can put this in any way you want. If this size is not big enough, you can kind of really strong Velcros. Make a little bit of space. Boom, put that in there. You got a little bit of extra SSD storage. You can just slide that in there. There's room for your HDMI cables. Also your power cord cable. And you know, I feel like you can also fit in any headset that you have right in there. And also you can put in, I mean, if you move this over here and you just increase the size and move this down, you can have two controllers and your headset right here. I actually don't have a headset to try and shove in there, so I'm just going to throw in my earphones. So we'll close this up. So this should keep all of your little items snug and in place so they don't rattle around. And there you have it. A bag for your PlayStation 5. Now I'm going to show you the difference between this one and the one for the PlayStation 4. I might not be able to fit the two in frame, but we'll go ahead and try anyways. So as you can see the difference in size, very big difference in size. Both vertically and horizontally, there's a huge difference in size. In regards to all the materials that are used, everything is pretty much consistent. And this has lasted me for over a year. And I take this everywhere I go. And you can see the difference here. This one is the blue one. I got the black one for the PlayStation 5. So as you can see the difference, this is the blue one. I got the black one for the PlayStation 5. So I know this is not the video for the PlayStation 4 case. Just want to show you a quick difference. As you can see here, it's a lot smaller. This doesn't come with two different areas for you to be able to cover your items. And the difference here is that this can't be used on this side to give a little bit of that extra protection if you want to put this down and leave it here like this. And then you got your partitions on this side as well. I took out a couple, but it's pretty much the same concept. But everything else is pretty much consistent in regards to quality. And yep, same thing here as well. I was pretty satisfied with this. So I'm pretty sure I'll be satisfied with this one as well. Yeah, as you can see. Pretty snug. And if you want even more, then you can leave it in here like this. So just a quick note, as you can see, the two panels right there that you secure on the left in order to make sure that the accessories don't move around while you're moving the bag. In the video, you can see they did come out of their place. Normally, if secured correctly, your accessories will not be rummaging around and moving around in your bag. It's just that I didn't do it correctly so that you see that it happened in the video. A little bit heavy, but I mean, what are you going to do? PlayStation 5 is a big console. Check the bottom real quick. So there you have it. A really good PlayStation 5 case, and as reference, I used my experience with the PlayStation 4 USA Gear case, and I really think you'd be happy with this. Go ahead and check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Bye.